Hello friend, my name is Prathamesh Kate and today is a technical topic that's name is keyword in Java. So keyword in Java, uh, Java keyword are also known as a reserve word. Keyword are a particularly a word that acts as a key to a code. These are predefined words by Java, so they uh, cannot be used as a variable or a object, come or name or a class name. Uh, List of Java keyword. Uh, all list Java keyword are reserved word are given. So first one is abstract. Java abstract keyword is used to declare on a abstract class, and abstract class can provide the implementation for implementation of the interface. It can have abstract and a non-abstract method. Next one is a boolean. Java boolean keyword is used to declare a variable as a boolean type. It can hold a true or false value only. Uh, Next one is a break. Java break keyword is used to break the loop or a switch statement. It is a breaks and a breaks. It is a used to break a loop. Break the current follow on the current flow the programming of a specified con- condi- conditions. Next one is a byte. Java byte keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold a 8-byte data value. Next one is a case. Java case keyword is used with a switch statements to make a blocks of text. Next one is a catch. Java catch keyword is used in a catch the exception guaranteed by try statement. It is must be used after the try block only. Next one is a char. Java char keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold uh, unsigned 16-byte unique Unicode ca- characters characters. Next one is a class. Java class keyword is used to declare a class. Continuous Java continue keyword is used to continue the loop. You continue the current flow of the program, and skip the remaining code or at the specified condition. Next one is the default. Java default keyword is used to specify the default block of the code in a switch statement. Next one is a do. Java do keyword is used in the control statement to declare a loop. It can iterate a part of the program several times. Next one is a double. Java double keyword is a user to declare a variable that can hold a 64 bit 14 point number. Next one is a else. Java else keyword is a user to include indicate the alternative branches in the if statement. Next one is a enum. Java enum keyword is a user to define a fixed state of a constant. Enum constructor are always private or a default extended extends. Next one is extend. Java extend keyword is used to include that the class is derived from another class or interface. Final. Java final keyword is used to indicate that the variable holds the constant value. It is used with a variable. It is used to restrict the user from updating the value of the variable. Next one is the finally. Java finally keyword indicates the block of code in a try catch structure. The block is always executed whether whether an exception is handled or not. Next one is a float. Java float keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold 32-bit floating point number. uh, Floating point number. Next one is a for. Java for keyword is used to start the for loop. It is used to execute a set of instruction functional repeatedly when same condition become a true. If the number of the iteration is fixed, it is recommended to use for loop. Next one is a if Java if keyword is test the condition, the execution the if the condition is true. So that all are the keyword in Java. Thank you.